morning, my dear students. In the virtual class, we learn how to use the make-believe comics strip, right? And I just hope that all of students are trying to make their own comic strip. If you are not trying, just try to make that. Okay, so last topic, that is the safety measure while using the internet. First of all, I read one by one step that thing you have to remember during your internet. Browse only those websites recommended for your teacher and parent. You have to just visit that only website that recommended by me or your parent, your other teacher or your parents. Don't open the other website that will be unnecessary for you. Keep your parent or guardian informed before creating account on the various websites. Sometimes what happen when you are opening the website, it will be ask about your account, your Gmail account, your email account. That why what should you do? You make your own account and put that account in that website. So before doing that, just ask your parents, your guardians or your teachers, right, before doing the creating the accounts on the website. Make sure your parents know of your online activities. It includes your social network and users of search engines. Means whenever you are using the internet, what are you doing? For example, you are using now Zoom. You are now watching this video on the YouTube. So your parents must be know that what you doing. आप क्या कर रहे हो, किस तरह से कर रहे हो. Okay. Most of when you are using the social network, social media, just tell to your parent that I am using the Facebook, I am using this one. Report unwanted activities or users that you may come from across to your parent or the guardians. Okay. Unwanted activities or users means just tell to your parent that this type of activity will be in front of me while I am using the internet. If you are using your parent or guardian laptop or computer or any electronic devices. Next, create complex password that has a combination of alphabets, numbers and the symbols. Change your password frequently. Do not share your password with others. When you are making your account, Gmail account, just make sure your password will be strong. Means use the alphabet, use the number, use the different symbols like the $, exclamation marks. Just use this one. That's why your password will be strong. And don't share your password with other persons. Be careful about the interaction with the unknown people over the internet. Sometimes what happen when you are using the internet and you enter with your account, for example for the Facebook, you are using now Facebook through the internet, right? So someone just send the friend request, you accept it and he wants to talk with you. So at that time, just know about him, who is that person, what is the work of that person, do you know him or not. If he is unknown for you, just don't talk with him, don't interaction with him, don't communicate with him. Never reveal your personal information such as name, address and phone number, as stranger can misuse it. Whenever you share your personal information, your friend have your personal information, yeah, right, like your name, address, phone number, but some of strangers don't have your name, mobile number and the address. So at that time, don't share these things to the strangers, just because in the future they will be misuse that your personal informations. Okay, sometimes the message come to you, you are talking with your some of the friends on the Facebook. So he told you, let's talk in the WhatsApp. So at that time, what should you do? You just share your mobile number to him, right? So at that time, he will be or she will be misuse that. your mobile number will be misused. So remember, don't share your personal information to anyone. Post your message after giving it some through and careful read and through review. When you are through the message, when you are post the message, just read it carefully and then throw it. Otherwise, if you are just typing and throw, don't do that. When you are typing, when you're done your message, just read it once, then drop it. Okay, here we are going to end our chapter, and hopefully that you understood all the topics. If you don't understood, whenever we meet in the virtual class, just tell me that this is the ma'am, I have this type of query. Okay, thank you so much. We will meet soon. Bye everyone.